If you've been seeing AI everywhere, but still feel stuck on where to start, this might be the program that finally makes everything click. Today, I'm reviewing the AI Virtual Academy. This all-in-one beginner-friendly platform claims to teach you how to use AI for content creation, automation, and even making money. And yes, I'll tell you honestly whether it's worth your time. What it is. AI Virtual Academy is basically a complete learning system for beginners. You don't need coding skills, tech skills, or any experience. Everything inside is step-by-step, simple, and focused on real results. You learn how to use modern AI tools, how to automate tasks, how to create digital products, how to build income systems with AI, and how to use AI for business, marketing, and content creation. This is not one of those confusing technical courses. It's built so ordinary people can follow it. My experience. What I like the most is how practical the lessons are. Each module shows you something you can use instantly, whether it's generating content, building a workflow, or setting up a simple automation. No fluff, no long lectures. Just real methods anyone can apply. What you get. Inside the Academy you get heavy checkmark short, easy to follow lessons, heavy checkmark templates and ready-to-use prompts, heavy checkmark complete beginner to expert pathways, heavy checkmark multiple income methods explained clearly, heavy checkmark lifetime access, so you can learn at your own pace. The training is updated for the current AI tools, not outdated info from years ago. Who it's for. This is perfect if you're starting from zero, wanting to make money, wanting to use AI for your career, building a small business, creating content or digital products. If you're overwhelmed by AI or don't know where to start, this program simplifies everything. Final verdict. Is the AI Virtual Academy worth it? For beginners, 100% yes. It's one of the easiest, quickest, and most practical AI learning programs available.